Ever feel like your weekends just disappear into a giant to-do list? Think about it. Laundry, water delivery, car cleaning. It's a lot to handle.
Yeah, that weekly juggle is real. It's just so much time and energy down the drain.
But what if one platform could handle all that? Well, say hello to SocietyGenie.
It's all about one-tap control over your chores. So let's see how it actually works.
Let's talk laundry. No more sorting or dropping off, just professional care for your clothes.
And we're talking serious quality here, from pro-level cleaning to that perfect final press. You get to pick exactly what you need, whether it's for daily wear or delicates.
Okay, what about other stuff, like getting drinking water? We've all had that last-minute panic, right?
You can schedule a one-time order or even a subscription. It's quick, clean, and delivered right to you.
Need a quick alteration? Finding a tailor you can actually trust is such a hassle.
Well, now getting that perfect fit for your clothes is literally just a tap away.
And let's not forget the car. Seriously, who has time for a car wash? Now you can book a water-efficient clean right at your doorstep, whenever. So simple. So here's the magic. SocietyGenie brings 8 premium services together on one platform.
You see, this is way more than just getting chores done. It's a total lifestyle upgrade.
It's about swapping that errant chaos for the calm of a single, professional service.
The real question is, what will you do with all the hours you get back?